Alright, this is question 12 for the 2015 practice PSAT. Question 12. So it's non-calc. We've got px is this polynomial. I'm going to write it out. 3 times x squared plus 10x plus 5, close bracket, minus 5x minus k. It looks nasty. K is a constant, so k is just a number. If px is divisible by x, what is the value of k? So if I was to divide all this by x, there would be no remainder. And I could divide it all by x, but that's not what I'm going to do because it just would seem like it would take a long time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to expand all the brackets, or both brackets. So 3 times x squared is 3x squared. 3 times 10x is 30x. 3 times 5 is 15. And minus 5 times x is minus 5x. Minus 5 times minus k, minus times a minus, is a positive. I suppose I should really say a negative times a negative is a positive. And then I'm going to tidy it up. So I've got 3x squareds here. I've got 30x, take away 5x, which is plus 25x. I've got 15 plus 5k. Alright, now if it's divisible by x, I need to find out the value of k. Right, so if k is a whole number, like if k is, let's look at some values, okay? Let's pick some of these values. Let's pick 0. If k is 0, then I'm going to get out, let's just do it underneath here. So when k is 0, the polynomial is going to be 3x squared plus 25x plus 15. Because k is 0, that goes to 0. Now, is that divisible by x? Well, that is, this is not divisible by x. So that is not an answer. Let's pick k is 3. I'm picking these strategically because I know what the answer is. So I've got 3x squared plus 25x, 15 plus 3 times 5 is 15, so that gives me 30. So that's divisible by x, that's divisible by x. This is not divisible by x, so no. So can we see what's going on here? What value does all of the constant bit have to be in order for p of x to be divisible by x? Well, the only thing it can be is 0, okay? If this is 0, then I'm just left with the x squared term and the x term. So which one of these is going to make it 0? Well, let's have a look. If I try k is equal to negative 3, my polynomial becomes 3x squared plus 25x plus 15, 5 times negative 3, it's negative 15. 15 take away 15 is 0. So this is divisible by x, this is divisible by x, there's no constant, so the whole thing is divisible by x. So this would have to be my answer. And just for the sake of completion, if k was negative 2, the polynomial would be 3x squared plus 25x, 15, and it would be take away 10, because 5 times negative 2 is negative 10, so 15 take away 10 is 5. That's divisible by x, that's divisible by x, this is not divisible by x. Okay, so our answer has to be A. So x is equal to negative 3 because it gets rid of the constant completely and we're just left with x's and x squareds, which are both divisible by x. Hopefully that makes sense, and if you need a bit more clarification, just let me know.